Hi everyone, today I am sharing my first video on the nail art. To make this nail art I have used too many different products. I have used three different nail colors from three different nail brands. The first one I used is for the cream color. This is from the Nika nail animal number 44. Second one is the black one which I used from the Maybelline New York color show number 220, and the third one is which I used for the top coating was from the Lakme 925 primer plus gloss nail color. All for the nail decoration I have used the different stones which are from I bought from the Nika from the Nail and More product. You can see that in my video. Also I have used a nail glosser from the Kara nail remover wipe strawberry, and also from the Inside nail polish remover acetone free. Okay, so now I'm sharing the video of how I make the tutorial. The first I have used the two different colors and I am trying to make the triangle, and will fill the black color for that triangle. To make the triangle I have used sellotape. Just put the sellotape on your nails in the particular shape. Just first fill the black color inside the open part and then remove the sellotape. Use the cream color in the remaining part. After doing this for all the nails, use the decorators to decorate your nail. I have used these pink stars and I am just putting it on the combination of this both the color. I have completed the decoration for all the 5 nails, and then I am putting the coating. To coat I used the Lakme 925 gloss, and now here is the final look. Thank you. Do like and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.